Kuthatshelwe ukuvulwa kwenkolo. Isikolo eMatlapeng Primary sinabafundi abayi 1100 kanti isikolo lesi sihlangana nezinye iinkolo ezimakhulukhulu enarheni le ebesolo zingena ngokudlekana. Nanyana abafundi bathabele ukubona abangani babo nje, ababelethi bona bathi bafuna ukubona abantwana aba bangena isikolo ngokupheleleko ngaphandle kokudlekana.
If they come every day, it will be lighter for us, and then we can do other things, because we can't do other things because we have to teach the children also.
They've been pestering me since December. Mom, when the school is open, we want to go to school, especially the one who's doing grade R. It's his first day. I'm very proud of them.
Abanye ababelethi balilela ukubuyela kwabantwana esikoleni ngokupheleleko kanti ngakelinye ihlangothi kunababelethi abalilela ukuthi abantwana babo abakazifumani izikhundla zokufunda. Umnyango weFundosisekelo uba ababelethi ukuthi babambelele njengobana usalunga ukwenzela abafundi aba izikhundla ngemadlasini. Imiraro eminingi yokuhlolisa abantwana yenze kakhulu endaweni ezisemalokitjhini lapho kunesibalo esincane senkolo nalapho kungena inkolo ezitja ezakhiweko. Kodwa umnyango wezefundo uthi uyathembisa ukuthi uzozirarulula lezi ntshijilo.
The developers, they will build schools without necessarily having the social infrastructure. So we are really chasing and running behind those developments. So it is our big plan to make sure that we follow developments, as you're saying, your Pretoria East, your Midrand area, all these growing areas. So there are plans to make sure that we have more schools. But also in your township areas where there's also in-migration of people from different parts of the provinces, we are building new schools. So it is a big program that we have, but also which requires big funding, because in terms of our norms and standards, our schools don't come cheaply now. So we don't build blocks and say it's a school.
Nasize emoyeni umnyango wezefundo bongakakuletha umbiko choko ukuthi ngiziphi intshijilo ezikulu abahlangabezana nazo emfundeni ngokuhlukahlukana njengoba inkolo zivuliwe nje. Inkolo zemfundo ezifana nePumalanga Kapa, iTjingalanga Kapa nezinye imfunda ziyokuvula ngeveke zako ngelesithathu.